Experiencing horn issues in your 2018 Tesla Model S? You're not alone. The most common culprits are a blown fuse, a faulty clock spring in the steering wheel, or problems with the steering button itself. We'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing these issues, drawing on the latest data from Tesla service bulletins and owner reports up to December 2025. The clock spring is a coiled ribbon cable inside the steering column that maintains electrical connections as the steering wheel turns. This component allows the steering wheel to rotate while keeping vital connections intact for controls like the horn and airbag system. It's a common point of failure in older Model S vehicles. The constant coiling and uncoiling during steering can cause wear, leading to electrical disconnections. Symptoms include an intermittent horn, airbag warning lights, or other steering control glitches. These issues occur because the clock spring's connections become unreliable. Its lifespan is affected by driving conditions, and Tesla uses a proprietary design, so working on it yourself can be challenging. Sharp turns and mileage accelerate wear, and the unique design requires specialized knowledge. Diagnosing a faulty clock spring in your 2018 Tesla Model S requires specific tools and expertise due to its integration with critical safety systems. You'll need a Tesla-approved scan tool to connect to the vehicle's diagnostic port and read error codes. Look for error codes specifically related to the airbag system or steering wheel controls, as these indicate clock spring issues. Since the clock spring is part of the airbag system, which is a critical safety component, repairs should only be handled by certified professionals. It's generally best to have this diagnosed and replaced by a certified Tesla technician to ensure safety and proper function. Sometimes the problem isn't hardware but a software glitch affecting the steering button signal. These glitches can prevent the horn from working properly. Try resetting the car's system by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This can clear temporary software issues. Tesla has also released OTA software updates to improve diagnostics for steering wheel controls, which may resolve software-related horn failures without hardware intervention. These updates can be installed over the air, fixing issues remotely without visiting a service center. Check if your 2018 Model S is covered by any relevant Tesla service bulletins, such as SB 19-21001, which addressed clock spring failures in 2016-2020 Model S vehicles. Even if your warranty has expired, Tesla may offer goodwill repairs, especially if the issue is a known problem. Contact your local Tesla service center to inquire about coverage. Replacing a horn fuse is a straightforward DIY task. You can use basic tools to access the fuse box and replace the blown fuse yourself, saving time and money. However, repairs involving the clock spring or steering buttons are much more complex. These components are integrated with the vehicle's airbag system, making them potentially dangerous to work on. Incorrectly handling these parts can accidentally deploy the airbag or cause electrical shorts, leading to serious injury. Always prioritize safety and leave these repairs to qualified professionals. Additionally, using third-party parts for these repairs can void your vehicle's warranty. Stick to Tesla-approved components and service centers for peace of mind. To prevent horn issues in your 2018 Tesla Model S, start by being gentle with your steering wheel. Avoid forceful or sharp turns that can stress the clock spring, a coiled ribbon cable inside the steering column that manages electrical connections for the horn and other controls. Over time, rough handling accelerates wear on this component, leading to intermittent failures. Next, keep your Tesla's software current. Regular over-the-air updates provide the latest diagnostic tools and performance enhancements that can prevent software-related horn glitches. These updates often include patches for the body control module that manages steering controls, helping to catch potential issues before they become problems. Regularly inspect your vehicle for corrosion, particularly in areas exposed to road salts or moisture. Corrosion can damage electrical connections in the fuse box, steering column, and clock spring, leading to horn failures. Check the wheel wells, undercarriage, and fuse compartments quarterly, especially if you drive in winter conditions where salt is used on roads. Clean any rust promptly and consider protective coatings. While Tesla is moving towards software-driven solutions that reduce reliance on mechanical parts, physical component wear remains a concern in older models like the 2018 Model S. The clock spring and electrical connections can still degrade over time, so combining software updates with proactive maintenance will help extend your vehicle's reliability.